About 36 hours ago, I was out on the back porch with my dog when all of a sudden, a fire ant decided to bite my leg. In fact, several of them did it. Here's what it looks like now. And in a second, we'll do a zoomed in before and after. And don't forget to comment below. Have you ever had a fire ant bite? What's your story? Sit on a mound as a kid? Let's hear it. Comment below. Alright folks, make sure you click subscribe. We have new videos coming out every single Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Last week, we pulled a worm out of someone's eye. The week before that, a centipede out of someone's ear. So if you like creepy crawlies, holes, and bugs, trypophobia in general, click that subscribe button now. Adios, amigos.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.